Understanding Track Order, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, track order. This is a common expression used in everyday scenarios, especially in online shopping and logistics. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. Track order is a phrase used to describe the process of monitoring the progress or delivery status of an order that you've placed, usually online. When you buy something from a website, the company often provides a way for you to check where your order is at any given time. This is known as tracking your order. Tracking your order is important for several reasons. 1. Peace of mind. It reassures you that your order is on its way. 2. Planning. It helps you plan for its arrival. 3. Problem resolution. If there are delays or issues, tracking information helps you resolve them more efficiently. You can use this phrase in different contexts. Asking for information. Can I track my order? Or, how do I track my order? Providing information. You can track your order by clicking the link in your email. Discussing status. I'm tracking my order, and it's currently in transit. Let's see some practical examples. 1. Online shopping. After buying a book online, you receive an email with a tracking link saying, "Track your order here." 2. Customer service. Calling customer service, you might ask, "Can you help me track my order? I haven't received it yet." 3. Discussing with friends. I just tracked my order, and my new phone will arrive tomorrow. And that's all about track order. It's a handy phrase to know, especially in our increasingly digital world. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English language content. See you in the next video.